Alright, we're going on a quick drive. Now if you see any flickering here on the screens, that's just in camera. That is not in person, so this does not sit there and flicker while you're driving. It's just the camera being kind of crazy. Steering is perfectly straight, doesn't have any type of shimmy to it. The suspension on this is amazing, being a long wheelbase. It drives like butter over all these bumps, super smooth. Seats are really comfy. I mean, this is a driving person's car here. Long commutes, really nice. Love the digital cluster here. Got the double screens there. The cabin is very quiet. It shifts super smooth as well. Hit the brakes kind of hard here. Brakes are solid. No complaints there, no vibrations, no issues. This drives is so nice. Okay, we're going to do a visual condition report, so we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Here on the front right wheel, you do have a little gash there, light little scuffs in the finish, a couple rock chips, all very subtle stuff. Date code on the tires, 2024. Pirellis look really good. Here on that paint, a little scuff there, otherwise that's in great condition. Here on the side mirror, a couple little rock impacts. That looks good. I do see a light scuff that goes down the side, maybe like a little tree branch or something kind of scuffed it, and you got to see a spot there. And then right here, this does catch my nail. There is a gash right there, if you can see that line. From here to about right there. Being silver though, it hides it really well. Little chip there. Got a touch-up spot here. That light marking goes down this whole side, and it's super subtle. A little bit of rash, a couple chips on those spokes. Overall though, the wheel's in great condition. You do have a gash right there that does catch your nail. Once again though, this color hides it really well. Here on the front bumper, typical rock impacts, especially for a car with 100,000 miles, and it's very subtle. It's actually really minimal. That front end's really nice. Couple more there. Upper section, overall really nice. I do see some little scuffs there. Got some rash down here on that low end. And of course, if you get close, you're going to see the impacts. A couple feet away though, it looks really good. Overall, the finish looks good. Typical chips. That fender looks nice. A couple rock chips here and there. A-pillar looks good. That door looks really nice. A little scuff. I mean, look how long that door is. So much room. 100,000 miles on this car, you would never know it, honestly. The paint looks gorgeous. This car overall is in really good condition. A little bit of rash there. Great set of tires on them. That deck lid looks good. You do have some gashes here in that back bumper, some little chips in that area. And I do see some damage here. There is a crack in the paint there, it looks like, and there's a crease, so it looks like something kind of hit here. So you're going to fill that little divot. and there's a crease right there. Honestly, it's really subtle though. Couple little scuffs, otherwise that's in great condition. All right, checking out the interior, just as nice as the outside. You would never know it had 100,000 miles on this car. Very well preserved and taken care of. Looks amazing. Memory seating, beautiful. Typical scuffs from getting in and out. Got the all-weather mat. Looks like that edge kind of rolled over just a little bit. That bolster looks amazing. A little bit of wear on the piping, otherwise that seat is in great condition. Steering wheel, that looks good. All this gloss black is clean. That looks nice. Got the digital cluster here, the 2 screens there. Kind of a timeless looking center console and screen area. It looks good. Very nice. Here on that door panel, upper section looks good. Got the memory seating. Little storage pocket there. That's really nice. I do see a gash right there. That trim looks good. All-weather mats are clean. You see a small stain in the carpet there. A little scuff here. Otherwise, those seats look awesome. Very little wear. You would never know this car had the miles that it does. Gorgeous interior. Tons of room. Dash looks good. Panoramic roof. Beautiful. Here on that door panel, that looks good. Light scuff here, a little ding. Got the all-weather mats. Once again, these seats look good. Got the climate control access here. Got some storage. Folds up, really nice. I mean, it is massive back here, the amount of space you have. Super cool. All right, looking at that door panel, looks good. Trim is clean. Once again, it looks like no one ever sat back here. These seats look good. I love the wood grain here. And you even have the mirrors right there. Very luxurious. And then looking at the doors, they are soft close. Do that first little click. Then they shut nice and quiet. You have a massive trunk. The opening is insane. Got the all-weather liner in here. Ton of storage. It goes way back. That is really nice. And it is a power open and power close. Alright, scanning through the engine bay. That cover looks perfect. Really nice. All this plastic is well preserved. It looks good. It's all in great condition.